Perfect.
So all the cheese and the good stuff is in there.
Oh yeah. This is like a double calzone. There you go.
Wow. That's a pizza pie right there.
There we go.
All right, thank
Beautiful,
you.
thank you. Wow. Ooh, gorgeous.